Hello, I'm here to walk you through how to save an image as a PDF file using Samsung Gallery. Now you click on the gallery, click on the picture you want to save as a PDF file. Let's say I want to save this particular picture. So what I do is I click on the three dots at the bottom right corner over here, click on print. Now I'm not actually going to print it. Then you can see the option of save as PDF up here. So I click on save as PDF, other yellow button here. Then I choose where I want it to be stored. Let's say I want to be stored in under, let's say, downloads. So let's say I want to store under downloads. Where exactly under downloads? So I can try to choose a specific part, or I can just leave it here and click on save. And it has saved as a PDF file. After saving it, if I want to know if it actually saved, the name is supposed to change, I can just simply go back to my files, click on it, go to downloads, which is where I saved it, and that's it. You can see the picture there, it's written there, the name has changed and it's now .pdf. So it has been changed to a PDF file. I can share, move it today, and do whatever I like with it, and back it up to Google Drive. So that is how to save a picture as a PDF file using Samsung Gallery. Now, you don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this. Till next time, bye bye.